AskReddit by Maple Glazed Moose. People who have OnlyFans, what is stopping you from upgrading to an air conditioner? I like talking into it and sounding like a robot. I do this. I'm 38. My wife thinks she married a moron. Don't want to disappoint her. I'm still waiting for my OnlyFans so I can afford one. The one and only fan. I'm Korean and I enjoy the thrill of electric fans. You just don't get that genuine life or death scenario with ACs. Source: https://en.m.wikipedia.org/wiki/fan_death. I've always wondered, does that apply to ceiling fans as well? Somehow I feel like they're safer even though I don't think standing fans will kill you either. Edit. Loving all the ceiling fan injuries, but I was wondering if the fear of dying from having a ceiling fan on exists in Korea, not about their actual danger. I'm an average fan enjoyer. I like when the fan blows air into my butthole. It took me way too long to get this joke. I need more coffee. Deleted. Deleted. Oh well. At least your mom is free on Friday night. I can't have sex with an air conditioner. I feel like this gives more questions than answers. The sound of the fan drowns the deafening silence of dread in my life. Sire, don't speak the truth. I used to have aircon, but then I switched to only using fan as it really helps me wake up better in the morning. My mouth is less dry and it makes waking up easier too since I won't drag my waking up from being too comfy. So sleep in a lava pit and you'll have no problem. Also the mouth less dry thing might be because the air conditioning also dehumidifies. Unsure if there are ways to mitigate that. Sweat is a free lubricant. I can deal with the downsides. You're right, sweat is a free lubricant. But your mom still makes me shower first. The fan chops up the oxygen molecules and makes it more easier for me to suck end down. Edit. A silver for this comment. Thank you. I feel like that prostitute in Pretty Woman. Yeah, they turned the O2 molecules to 2 O molecules. 1 O for each nostril. Unlock this answer for $70. I keep sliding debit cards into my fan but it keeps slicing them up like they are oxygen molecules. I'm almost out of debit cards. Do you accept credit? Because an air conditioner won't show me its butthole for $2.99 a month. Your fan has a butthole? Odd. I'll call tomorrow. You'll call now. I tried posting my foot pictures into the aircon but the engineer kept looking at me weird when he had to come repair it for the 3rd time. Costs too much on my power bill. I live on the ocean and the breeze is my air conditioner. Deleted. Kowalski, speak American. I think they don't need air conditioning because they like to be naked. Millions of years of evolution did not prepare me for this. That took me longer than I'd like to admit. I'm a Mac user, so no Windows. Since I rent there's not really a good place to put an air conditioner. Fans are more flexible and get the job done pretty well. The electricity bill. Fans are cool. Darararadi. Don't tell your mother my username. AC can cause greenhouse effect and I'm doing my part in saving the earth. Except when it is 34 degrees C and above, then my stand might waver. For some reason I read your comment as my nightstand might waver. This dude is fucking his AC unit. Saving the planet and my finances. Win-win. Mine has a really solid fan base. I'd like to hold on to that.